Now let's take a deeper look into the sales process. Sales is the deal closer. The sales funnel represents the stages a potential customer moves through the buying process. The funnel narrows as the leads progresses, meaning fewer leads make it to the end and convert into customers. Understanding the different stages of the funnel allows sales professionals to tailor their approach at each stage. The first stage is awareness, or the top of the funnel, and this is where leads first become aware of your product or service. At this stage, prospects are not yet considering a purchase, but may engage through content marketing. The goal here is to capture their attention and educate them about your offerings. The next stage is interest. As they go down the funnel, prospects are aware of your brand and they begin to explore whether your product or service might solve their problem or meet their needs. The goal is to position your brand as a solution. As they successfully go down the funnel, leads are comparing your offerings with competitors and are ready to make a choice. This stage is called the decision. It's critical for the sales team to offer personalized insights, answer questions, and address any concerns the leads might have. And finally, we're ready for action. This is the final stage of the funnel, where the prospect makes a purchase decision and becomes a customer. Effective follow-up, a smooth sales process, and excellent customer support can ensure that the deal is closed successfully. But the relationship doesn't end here. Sales not only creates a new customer, they also create customer loyalty, where they're continuously building that relationship with the customer and making sure that the company is satisfying their needs. Sales plays a critical role in the success of a company long term.